guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have this Yaki straight wig from OMG Her Hair. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to get into the unboxing first, and then I'm going to be telling you guys the specs as you guys see the unboxing on the screen here. This is a 3D dome super fitted glueless wig. I have the relaxed Yaki with highlights, and 3D dome cap is very similar to the 𝐴𝐵𝐾 wig, so it has that, you know, 3D like contour to your head, so it's going to lay very nice and flat to your head, so it's going to be easy to wear glueless. It has that ear contour, but the difference between the 𝐴𝐵𝐾 and the 3D dome caps that I have tried is that with the 3D dome caps, they tend to have like a drawstring in the back, and they both have the removable combs, but with the 3D dome cap wigs, they attach theirs with Velcro, which to me is good as well. Like either one, like just attaching it within the grooves. It's like with the 𝐴𝐵𝐾 wigs, but with the Velcro, I feel like it probably has like a better, more secure fit. Yeah, so it has real invisible HD lace. It has a S zigzag pre-cut melting hairline, adjustable elastic cord, which is the drawstring in the back. It has the removable combs with Velcro, and it has the C-shaped design. And I'm pretty sure they're talking about the ear contour around the ears. Yeah, so I went with the one with the highlights, and I have 20 inches, and I think I have 150% density. No, I have 180. You can get 150 if you want something a lighter density, which I understand because it's already hot, you know, so you probably want something lighter. So this is what the actual wig looks like. Same construction as the dome cap without the hair on it and everything. The removable combs, I really like that. And then it has like this silicone like grip thing here, just so your wig's not slipping everywhere. So let's try it on right out the pack and see what it's like. I'm gonna have to adjust it on my head. I told you guys I cut my hair last month, and so everything is very roomy. So this is what the wig looks like on me. Thickness color is really, really pretty. And you do feel the thickness with this wig, even though this is like a Yaki straight texture, and Yaki textures to me are usually lighter than like a kinky straight. This is pretty. Beautiful color, nice subtle highlights. When I do my wigs, I do like to cut off a little bit more of the lace, just so it's less detectable. I'm gonna have to adjust the straps because this does feel very big on my head. But this is what it looks like right out the pack. I'm probably gonna flat iron it off camera and probably come back and touch it up. unboxing and me installing this wig. I am wearing this 100% glueless. I don't have anything on the lace, just my contour to tint it to my lace, tint it to my complexion. So I'm gonna get into the sunlight test for you guys. So this is, you know, the 3D dome cap, so it has really good lace on it. So it is noon here, so it's high sun. So in high sun, this lace looks really good. Like, it's melted down without being melted down. But we have a gazebo back on the patio now, so, you know, it blocks out all the sun. And when I'm under the gazebo, you can see my lace clearly. Yeah, if I put my spray and then melted it with my melt band, it probably would be less detectable in low light. But in sun, it does look good. And I do think a melt would benefit this. On camera, you don't need any spray. And when I was in front of the window, you see a little bit of a white echo. But a lot of that stuff will go away if you melt it down. And then I probably need to add a little bit more of my contour to it. But I didn't want my lace to get like too dark. So depending on how I lean my head, you can see my lace a little bit. The lace is still nice and thin. So pros and cons about this wig. It's really mainly all pros for me. First of all, this is a relaxed Yaki texture. I love Yaki textures. They are more lightweight and suitable for like all year round, even the hotter and warmer months like right now. This is 180. So even though this is 180, this still looks pretty everyday and like a natural density. 150 might be too thin for my taste, but you know, I cut off my hair, so I've been really enjoying like not being hot with wigs. So I get what a lot of people are saying. They tend to like shorter wigs in the summertime, so you're not super you're not burning up. But this is overall pretty lightweight. But if you're looking for something that's even more lightweight and even more of a natural density, go with the 150 instead of the 180. But I personally think the 180 is still natural. So the cap size on this I'm pretty sure this is the average cap size. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the average cap size. And I have less hair, and this feels so big on my head. So it's like buckling and stuff in the back. I don't know if I should go to a small yet, but it's definitely a lot of room in this cap. So if you do have a larger head, then this is probably, the medium is probably going to work for you. Yeah, it feels very, very roomy. So this is super big head friendly, this medium size, because most human hair companies that send us these wigs, they tend to send like the average cap size, which is 22.5. If I'm not mistaken. I think the highlights are beautifully done. It's a nice subtle blend. It's gorgeous. I love this color blend. I think it's just beautifully like kind of sun-kissed and subtle. It's very beautiful. This is 20 inches and this is where it falls on me. And I'm 6 feet tall. I already showed you guys the 360 in like the reveal of the hair, but this is where the 20 inches falls on me. Yeah, I like the Velcro with the removable combs, and I like that it has the adjustable drawstring because now I actually had to use it because this wig was so big. So yeah, so overall I think this is beautiful. I love this texture. It's hard to mess up kinky straight and Yaki textures like this for me. And then you add a little bit of color for a little bit of interest and spice. And this doesn't go all the way to my ear, so I have some of my edges out, and I think that looks good. Like you got your hair silk pressed and then it's starting to revert in certain areas. I think that looks very natural. And I like the way it looks tucked behind my ear. I think that looks cute. I was considering adding a little bit of layers in the front of my hair. And I think I probably will, but I think this is just really, really pretty and very beginner friendly. Just play around with your lace tint and how it looks in natural light versus, you know, outside and everything. I need to start doing my installs like in front of a window or even outside sometime if I can, just so it's some consistency like when I'm out and about, and it's not like I don't have like wig insecurity or lace insecurity like, you know, people can tell and everything. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in this wig from OMG Her Hair, you can head over to their website. I'll have this wig and all the specs linked down in the description box for you guys. Shout out to OMG Her Hair for sponsoring today's video. And if there are any coupon codes, they'll be in the description box as well. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. They will be linked down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.